If you want to enable, disable, and use circle to search feature on your Samsung Galaxy A26, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down to your display tab, choose it. Here, locate your navigation bar and locate your circle to search and make sure that it is enabled. Usually it is enabled by the default. So to use it, it's quite easy to do. Hold your button right there. Now you can use your circle to search. So circle, tap, or highlight anything on your screen to search it. For example, let's search this switch, right? That's how it works. Easy as that. And yeah, you can pan this picture, you can zoom it in, zoom it out, you can select it, but basically that's how you do this. If you want to turn it off, open up your settings once again, then you are to press display, navigation bar, tap on the switch to turn it off, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.